To apply for a UMB bank credit card, here are some simple steps. 1. Visit the UMB bank website. Go to link to umb.com. 2. Explore the available credit cards. Review the different credit card options UMB offers, such as the UMB Simply Rewards, UMB Travel Select, or UMB Direct Cash, and choose the one that best fits your needs. 3. Click on Apply Now. Once you've selected a card, click the Apply Now button associated with it. 4. Complete the online application form. You will be directed to a secure online application. Fill in all the required personal information, including your name, address, social security number, income, and monthly housing payment. 5. Review and submit. Carefully review all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, submit your application electronically. Alternatively, you can also apply for a UMB bank credit card by visiting a UMB bank branch. You can speak with a personal banker who can guide you through the application process. Calling UMB Bank. Contact their service center at 800-821-5184 for assistance with the application. UMB Bank will review your application and credit history to determine your eligibility.